Oh, I have to use the restroom. Mom, what are you doing?
Cleaning.
Oh, stop. That's too much hard work. Here, use this.
Okay. Okay, go ahead. Ooh.
The days of wasting your energy and strength scrubbing is finally over. Let me introduce to you the PARRIOR Alpaka Electric Spin Scrubber. Oh my goodness, guys, that was fun to unpack all that. I felt like I was unboxing a Christmas present. So you have the very detailed products manual. Make sure you reference that. A quick start guide. And here it shows the list of the parts. But I think they forgot the storage bag. I looked all over for it. Oh well. So let me go ahead and identify all the parts. Here we have 4 of these. These are called the round brush heads. Look at those thick bristles. It's quite durable too. Okay, so now we have 2 of these tapered brush heads. Okay, different type of clean, especially the angles. And 2 of these are called big flat brush heads. And then we have one of this. It's called small flat brush heads. Okay. Okay, taking a look at this, some of the interchangeable parts. This is called the hair sweeper brush, all right? And then which leaves us here. This is the pad holder with climbing hook, and this is looks like one is already inserted on here. See, you insert it as Velcro based. See, so you simply peel it and put it on, and it looks like we have a additional pad right here. Okay, this is a sponge brush, and then we have 2 of these towel brush for different cleaning needs, and looks like there's even an alcohol pad. Oh, I almost forgot about this cute little thing. This is a hook for you to hang or store your electric spin scrubber. You just simply tape it on a wall. Alright, so let me go ahead and assemble these 2 pieces together. Pretty sure you line it up. Press down right here. Okay, there's one of the handle. And this one you press to have it in different orientation. Okay, very nice long handle. And of course you can always angle it if you need to clean at hard to reach places. So let me go ahead and insert this round brush head. Okay, this is what it looks like. So you just simply align it, press it in. Okay, and then to take it out, to remove it, simply just pull it out. Then you put in a different head accordingly. I know my mom is anxious to use it. So let's go ahead and charge this up. I'm so glad this features fast charging. 1.5 hours to charge would give you about 2 hours of use time. And I just realized the battery indicator level is right on the other side. That's good to know. Looks like there are 3 bars. So you see the nasty stains in the shower stall, and we're going to test it out with the big brush. Oh yeah, see the stains already being removed so easily. Oh, look at that. Piece of cake. But what about the corners, you ask? So, For those hard to reach places, I switch over to the small taper head, and now I'm gonna angle it a little bit so it's easier to reach. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, that's getting those corners real good. Let's turn which side. And just give it a good quick rinse. And don't forget, I only clean the right side. Look at that. We still have a little bit more work on the left side, but it's going to be a piece of cake now. Before and after. Ah, this is much better improved. Oh wow, Mom, such beautiful orchids. Oh, wait a minute. I wish the windows were clean and beautiful like these flowers. So I've switched over to the sponge brush, got like a 90 degrees angle. Just have some simple dish detergent. I couldn't find any 409 window cleaner, but that should suffice. Give it a good scrubbing, and once you know it's clean, I'm gonna wipe it down and I'll show you the final result. Here we go, let's wipe this down. Oh yeah, that's as good as new, guys. Look at this. Much better, much improved. I can see clearly outside now. Welcome to our kitchen. So my mom loves to do a lot of cooking, so I'm gonna surprise her by cleaning off the countertop a little bit. So for countertops or even tile floors, you can choose between the small flat or the medium flat brush. And then we'll see how it goes. I'm just using a little bit of dish detergent. You can use other cleaning agents. Let's give it a good wipe down. Oh my goodness, that is clean. Look at that. Much improved, much improved. My mom's going to be in for a big surprise. I'm outside now, cleaning exterior windows. For those hard to reach places, I really love that long handle. Piece of cake, making a piece of cake. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it's icing. Well, just imagine if I am cleaning my car, okay guys? So now I can use the scrubber to clean the car. Let's say if I'm washing it, see, it's quite dirty right here. So imagine I'm washing a very dirty car right here. Give it a good nice scrubbing and wash. Wipe it down. Oh yeah, look how clean that is now. But hold on, it doesn't end there, because now, just imagine I have some car wax, which I don't, so I'm gonna buff it, give it a good buff. So all you have to do is peel this, and then apply this. They're centered, and now we have a buffing pad right here. You know, just imagine putting a car wax. Now I'm gonna give it a nice wax. It's gonna be nice and shiny. You can take your car to show off anywhere. Oh my goodness, guys. My mom and I are absolutely falling in love with this awesome electric scrubber. First of all, it helps you save your time and energy, especially for the elderly who might be tired or impaired. Let the machine do the work, guys. Yes, let the machine do the work. It's not work harder, it's work smarter. And I really love all the interchangeable heads. Any surface you can clean. I really love that cleaning car capability. Who doesn't want a fresh, clean looking car to show off, right? So if you are in the market looking for a electric scrubber that lasts a long time, is easy to use, anybody can use it, definitely give the PARRIOR brand a look. Stay fresh, stay clean.